Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to show you something cool from the Royal Mint, the 2024 Britannia coin. It's a special coin. It's like a symbol of Britain, but it also does some cool new things to make it extra special. Check out this tiny detail on the coin, like a picture that changes when you look at it from different angles. So right now it's a trident. If you see that tiny, it's a trident, and right now it's a padlock. So cool. It's like a magic. I don't know how it's worth. It's £2 denomination. Is with King Charles. 2024 1 oz 99 fine silver. Yes, 999. My English is not good. Hope you understand me. But I like this coin. It's so shiny. Perfect for collecting or maybe even investing. Yes. So check out the waves. Great. Great. Someone tell me the Royal Mint have problems with the milk spot, or I don't know. We will see in time. But that little thing when change the padlock with trident is so cool. Love it. Maybe I'll buy more. Maybe I'll buy more. It's good to have a Britannia in your collection. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Maybe in another video. Bye.